Hi, we're at lovely Eastern Walled Gardens just outside Grantham, and we're filming for the August edition of Kitchen Garden magazine. Another packed issue for you. I'm talking about holiday watering. If you're lucky enough to get away on holiday, you'll want to know how you're going to keep your veggies alive while you're gone. So that's my job for the month. What about you, Em?
Well, we've also got a feature on second cropping potatoes. So these are planting potato tubers in the summer and then harvesting them in the autumn, or you're actually storing them and actually using them for Christmas potatoes.
Yeah,
we've also got a feature on pak choi, which is lovely tasty leaves for your stir fries or salads. What about you, Tony?
Well, product review this month is on cordless garden tools, and we've been trying out some hedge trimmers and some shears of different kinds. And I've written a feature on chives, one of my favourite herbs, which are lovely in the kitchen but flower beautifully too.
And the main fruit we're talking about this month is autumn raspberries, so hope you enjoy it.